What's going on YouTube? Nicholas here with Tech Love TV, where we don't discriminate and we believe all tech deserves some love.
See some love, it's love day. I'm sure people love out here on the court.
So today I got the latest earbuds from Raycon. These are the E25 Truly Wireless Earbuds. Now I know almost around the same time they released a newer version of the E50s, which I'll probably get into in a later video, probably the next video actually, but right now we got the E25 Truly Wireless Earbuds, and these are a little bit smaller from what I've heard. It says premium sound and a compact design, so these are a little bit smaller. So if you're looking for a little bit smaller size but you still want that Raycon sound, these might be it for you. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time here, go ahead and smash the subscribe button down below, and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notifications on when I drop my latest tech videos. And so right now, these E25, you can get them for $80. I'll put the link in the description down below. You know what, Ray J, if you're watching this, I have one wish. No, but yeah, seriously, I have one wish, man. If you can, you guys been doing this earbud thing for a little bit now, so go ahead, please invest in an app so that we can get a more premium sound out of your earbuds. It's about time. I don't know what you guys are waiting for, but go ahead, think that over, talk to your engineer team, make it happen, because you guys need to keep up with the competition. As you can see here, I got the red box, and these currently come in 5 different colors. You got the white, you got the black, you got the pink, you got the blue, and you got the red. So 5 different colors to choose from. I love that Raycon gives you all these options to choose multiple colors, and a lot of companies just don't do that. Raycon E25 Truly Wireless Earbuds, premium sound and a compact design, longer battery life, easy to pair. We're gonna see how easy these are to pair to my phone. And I have not opened these yet, so unboxing first impressions with you right here, Tech Love TV. So I was looking at the outside of this box, and it says that on one single charge, just for the earbuds alone, you can get 6 hours of playback time with a total of 24 hours of playback time. So the earbud case will charge your earbuds back up 3 times throughout the day, so you get a full day's worth of playback time. Now, I think that's more on the high side. It's more probably maybe like around 18 to 20 to maybe 21 hours. But even still, that's still, in my book, classifies as a full day of playback time. On the back side of this box, it says E25 Truly Wireless Earbuds, premium sound and a compact design. We built these unique earbuds to help power your everyday goals. Easy to pair, charging case, gives you the battery life again. Take phone calls, built-in microphone for on-the-go calls. The next wave. Raycon empowers go-getters around the world by creating the next wave in true wireless audio technology. Your journey to the top starts here. And that's pretty much it, man, for the outside of this box. Let's go ahead and open this up. Hey, yo, Big, can I get some help?
Of course, my orange box color make the world go round.
Okay, so when you first open these up, what you'll get on the inside, you do have some literature in a little folder on the front side, and here they are. You have the Raycon case up top, and you do have some different ear tips at the bottom. You have 5 right here, and there's also a pair already on here, so you got a total of 6. And cases, wow, this case is really small. Let me get some other Raycon cases so you can see the size comparison between the E25 case and some other ones. Okay, so for the E25 case, in comparison to the other cases, you have the E100 case. It's significantly shorter than the E100 case, but it's a little bit wider. But even still, it still has a smaller footprint. You have the E50s as well. The E50s might be comparatively the same size, just in a different shape. And then you got the X90 Titans right here. And it is a little bit smaller, but the X90 Titan, they still yet to match the X90 Titan case. You do have your micro USB charging cord, and that is pretty much it. The literature that you'll get, next wave sticker, Raycon E25 Get Start Manual. Bam, the next wave. Now I'm wondering if you get this in a different color, like if you don't get this in red, you get this in the blue, the black, the pink, or the white, if this text is a different color. I don't know. If it is, shout out to Raycon Global, because that's really paying attention to detail, in my opinion. And so, yeah, man, that's it. That's everything inside the box. So going around this case, it does give you a smooth, like a smooth silicone feel on the outside. It's very similar to the E100 case, which I really like. And just the size of this case is just really, really nice. It's a nice fit. It's a nice look. On the back side, you got your micro USB charging port. And you're looking for earbuds with a wireless charging case, these aren't for you. So on the inside, what you'll notice is that standard case, nothing much to see here. The case door is magnetic. The earbuds sit in here as well with magnets, so you don't have to worry about them falling out. But if you drop them, they will fall out. So don't drop your earbuds. Okay, so also on the inside of this charging capsule, you do have a charging capsule indicator, and I'm guessing that it's for battery status. So what I'm going to do now is hook these up to my mobile device to see if they are really as easy as they say they are to hook up to a mobile device. And I'm going to record my screen so that you guys can see exactly this in real time. So, okay, so we got that going. Open the case up, take the right one out, and it automatically shows up. It says Raycon E25 earbuds. They come on normal sound. If you use to the Raycon sound, it says Raycon power on, and they automatically say pairing mode. Hit the button and they're connected. It was literally that simple. Now, if you come across these and you have issues with that, all I can suggest that you do is hold down the power buttons on each side, cut them off completely, put them back in the case, make sure they're fully charged up, and then run that pairing process over again and keep doing it till it works. So that's all the suggestions that I have for you on pairing these to your earbuds. Other than that, I don't think you should have an issue, to be honest with you. So I'm gonna cut these back on, and as you can see, my screen is still recording. Raycon comes on, power on, and it automatically shows connected inside of my phone. So it's just that simple. So on the outside of these earbuds, you do have your two multi-function buttons on each side, and they're not a touch surface as an actual physical button that you push, which I like that as well. Okay, so going around these earbuds, like I said, you do have the multi-function buttons on the outside. You have the indicator light right underneath the R of the Raycon symbol. And I don't see the microphone, so I don't know how good this can be. I don't know where, maybe it's on the outside. I don't see where the microphone is located on these. If you have these and you've seen where the microphone is located, go ahead and leave a comment down below, because I would really like to know where the microphone is. And not being able to see the microphone is not a good indication that there will be great call quality on these, but I could be wrong, and I will test that out to show you later. Oh yeah, one more thing about the case door. It doesn't open up like to a full 90-degree angle, which I wish it would. It just seems like it should open up a little bit more, but anyways, that's neither here nor there. So, okay, so back to the construction of the earbuds. It is a fully plastic construction. It is get you labeled right and left on the inside, and you got your metal contact points as well. And that's pretty much it. Pretty simple, straight and to the point. For the button functions, you do have your multi-function button on each earphone. So if you press once on the left or right, it'll play and pause your music and answer phone calls. On the left earbud, if you press it twice, it'll go to the previous song. And on the right earbud, if you press it twice, it'll go to the next song. 3 times on either earbud, it will turn the volume up. Hold for 2 seconds on either multi-function button. It will power them on and activate your voice assistant, and also reject calls. And if you hold them for 4 seconds, it will power them off. So I do have them powered on, connected to my phone. Let's get into the sound quality. Listening to Surf Club, St. John, one of my newest favorite artists. Holla at your boy. Okay, so I went through about 6 or 7 different songs with these, and I mostly listen to hip hop. I have some Ed Sheeran in there as well. And these things, these little things right here, I am impressed by these. They have some kick to them. The bass is really solid on these for the size of them. I'm impressed by the bass. The highs and the mids, they're decent. Yeah, I think the mids could be a little bit more balanced out. The highs aren't bad as well. The highs, I've heard better simply because I paid for higher end earbuds, but I'm not mad at these. You will be, I think for the price point of these, $80, and the size of these, the sound quality is good to go in my book. Next one I'm gonna test out is the latency when streaming video. So the only latency issue that I found with these is when I was on YouTube. But other streaming services that I've tried out, Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Hulu, HBO Go, no latency problems, no issue whatsoever. Okay, so for the call quality, I just tested these out. The call quality is decent. Even though I can't find a microphone anywhere on here, the call quality is decent. The person you'll be able to carry on a good conversation. Now, if you are around, if you have ambient noise, loud ambient noise around you, that might interfere with the call, but the person will probably most likely still be able to hear you. But Raycon, there's room for improvement with call quality. You'll be good talking to somebody. If you're in a louder environment, then these will pick up background noise on that. So for the most part, I'm good on the call quality. They are in stereo, so that's something that I look out for right away. And so overall, call quality, I mean, you're not gonna get the best, but it's not gonna be the worst.
What the hell did you just say?
I know that probably doesn't help you, but that's what I got for that. They work, you can carry on a conversation. I do think that is an upgrade if you have the E50s or maybe even the X90s. The call quality on these are probably on par with the E100s, but they do fit better than the E100s and they're cheaper than the E100s. So I have to go with these over the E100s. And I think that's it, man. Yeah, so overall,
I like it a lot.
Very impressed with the sound quality. I didn't expect the quality of sound that comes from these to be how they are. Very good bass, highs and mids are on point for the price point of these earbuds. So I don't think that you'll be disappointed in that. Maybe if you're an audiophile and you're looking to get these might not be for you, but for the average consumer that's looking for earbuds at a cheap price point, I think you'll be very impressed with the sound quality. And yeah, man, that's it. Raycon E25 Truly Wireless Earbuds going for around $80 right now. And if this is your first time here and you liked some of the information that I gave to you, or even if you don't like it, go ahead and leave a comment down below. But if you did like it, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notifications on when I drop my latest tech video. Thanks for stopping by the Tech Love channel. My name is Nicholas, and I'm out. Peace.